How's it going, folks? It is Matt back with another crypto video. Today I have major news to announce. It's been exciting times in the DigiByte community recently, watching all of these implementations of DigiID that have taken place over the past several weeks. But today I have an announcement, a new partner for DigiByte and Block 30 Labs, and they're going to be, I guess, the first use of DigiAssets. DigiAssets isn't even technically launched and live for the public, but Block 30 Labs will be utilizing the DigiByte blockchain, and more specifically DigiAssets, to as kind of the backbone of the products that they have to offer. As tweeted out by Rudy Bouwman, a look at why they may have chosen DigiByte is they're leveraging the speed, scalability, and security of the DigiByte blockchain as the backbone of their offerings. Block 30 Labs will pierce the secondary layers of consumer, merchant, and professional enterprise world. So this is a look at Block 30 Labs' website itself. I'll provide a link to the description, or I'll provide a link to this in the description below. And this article points out 3 of the products that they are offering. So one being the Block 30 Marketplace, which will be the world's first Web 3.0 marketplace built on the blockchain, where they are pairing global buyers and sellers in the exchange of value on the blockchain, including anything from concert tickets, automotive, hospitality, business, land, growing farms, wineries, fractional ownership, mixed-use development, and commercial real estate. So really, the possibilities of this marketplace seem to be endless, similar to DigiAssets. Another product that they're offering will be the Block 30 Pay, a digital wallet, which will be available at the checkout on the Block 30 Marketplace and help global customers and merchants begin to use and adopt digital assets versus credit cards through an asset called Blocks, which will be powered by DigiByte. So I'm guessing their currency, Blocks, is what will be the DigiAsset. A look at the Block 30 Pay was this first image that I was showing. And as you can see, they're accepting Bitcoin, Litecoin, DigiByte, and Blocks, which will be the native Block 30 Labs token. So a look at the third product that Block 30 Labs is offering, the Block 30 Financial Division, which will be providing the ability for Block 30 Pay digital wallet holders to invest in customized security tokens. Example being the Block 5, the Block 10, and the Block 30, all directly from their mobile wallet. So looking at the Block 5, Block 10, and Block 30, basically you can invest in these 3 different STOs and gain access to all of the digital assets held within them. As you can see, DigiByte is listed in the Block 10 and the Block 30. This is looking more so at the Block Pay. They're offering mobile payments, saying there are over 8 billion people on the planet that need to buy, sell, or exchange value with each other on a daily basis, and they're building the products to help them do that. They're also offering digital gratuities. They have an app called Humble, which allows customers to exchange borderless gratuities. They're also offering merchant services. With millions of passionate users around the world, blockchain investors and developers are looking for places to use their digital currencies. Their point of sale division helps small to medium businesses and merchants integrate digital assets for their customers in retail, restaurants, concerts, festivals, hospitality, and more. So it's definitely exciting times. DigiAssets hasn't even technically launched yet, and we already have a use of it, Block 30 Labs. And I definitely think as adoption increases in the cryptocurrency space, that Block 30 Labs is going to become a major player in the game. I found this tweet interesting from Block 30 Labs the other day. It's saying right now 100% of stocks and bonds on Wall Street could be tokenized. In 5 years, 100% of them will be tokenized. And I agree with that 100%. It's similar to the prediction that I just showed in my video the other day, where Eric Schmidt, back in I think it was 1995, was saying by the year 2000, every company in the world is going to be on the internet. The same thing can be said for cryptocurrency. In the next couple years, every company in the world is going to have their assets tokenized and available on platforms similar to Block 30 Labs. So the last bit of news I had to cover, this is another tweet from Rudy Bouwman saying, "We are pleased to announce that i2 Trading has begun trading DigiByte and providing liquidity for large trade sizes. i2 Trading is a fully licensed and compliant over-the-counter trading service, and you can learn more at i2trading.com. I have clicked on it, so I'll provide a link to this in the description so you can read through it more so if you wish. And I had to Google it. I'm not a professional day trader, so I had to Google what over-the-counter cryptocurrency trading was compared to just a regular crypto exchange. So over-the-counter is an off-exchange trading. It's done directly between two parties without the supervision of an exchange. So that's the difference between over-the-counter and regular exchange trading if you were otherwise unaware of it. Last thing I just wanted to talk about recently, I'll provide a link to this article in the description. I just found the title of it interesting. Cardano and DigiByte, projects where money will flow in Q2. And you know, I found it interesting because these are my two favorite projects and the two projects that I report on quite frequently. So it's just exciting to see, you know, my two favorite projects continuing to make headlines and continuing to make, you know, big waves as far as news-wise. You know, Block 30 Labs is definitely going to be a big deal as adoption of cryptocurrency increases, and the fact that they're going to leverage DigiAssets is going to be huge for the DigiByte blockchain. I definitely can't wait to see more use cases of DigiAssets start to spring up as it gets closer to you know, when it is rolled out and launched live for the public. But that will wrap up today's video, guys. It was just a quick update. We got the first use of DigiAssets, and it hasn't even launched yet. Definitely exciting time. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to get notifications, like it, share it, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys later.